Hello friends, today we are going to know about Nakshi. How is it made? Let's see some pictures how Nakshi are being made. Hello friends, can you explain how is Nakshi made? If you can, that will be a nice paragraph. How to make Nakshi. Let's start. Traditionally, old saris, lungis, and dhotis were used to make katas. At least 5 to 7 saris were needed to make a standard size kata. Today, the old materials are replaced by the new cotton cloths. Traditionally, the thread was collected from the old saris. That is rarely done today. When a kata is being made, first the saris are joined together to attain the required size, and then layers are spread out on the ground. The cloths are then smoothed. During the process, the cloth is kept flat on the ground with wears on the edges. Then the 4 edges are stitched and 2 or 3 rows of large running stitches are done to keep the kata together. At this stage, the kata can be folded and stitched at leisure time. The design was first outlined with needle and thread, followed by focal points, and then the filling motifs were done. In some types of katas, carpet, leek, and sujni, etc., wooden blocks were used to print the outline. The blocks are replaced today by patterns drawn in tracing papers.